Hi, I'm Danielle, and I'm a design consultant with Blinds.com, going on almost 5 years now. Now, I've gotten to work on a lot of inspiring projects, but I think I want to share a few of my favorites with you. So to kick it off, my absolute favorite, Tammy with Vintage White Farmhouse. Now this one might seem a little bit different. We actually used outdoor solar shades for her project, 1% frost. With hers, her front porch was a space that she always wanted to be able to utilize, but because it was so hot year-round, she really couldn't utilize the front porch. Now with these outdoor solar shades, think about it as a new room of her home that she can actually experience. Now with solar shades, it's not just a summer thing. Think about that direct sunlight as the sun starts to move in that sky in the evening, and you're getting that direct sunlight whenever you're trying to enjoy a glass of iced tea in the evening or hot coffee in the morning. Either way, it's going to keep Tammy and her family enjoying that porch year-round. Next up is Casey with Gray Birch Designs. We actually had 2 different projects that we worked on with her. The first one that I did was going to be the premium wood shutters in white. This created a great design aesthetic to complement the wood trim and the opening of the room. This allowed us to create a little bit of a cozy effect when it came to opening and closing the shutter louvers. It was also a very clean and streamlined design. The other project that we used with her were going to be the woven wood shades in her kitchen. We used the Blinds.com designer woven wood shade and San Lucas lichen. With this particular fabric, it is a very lightweight, almost grass cloth style fabric. For Casey, it was very important to have a lot of light come through. We actually used a cordless lift system, so we had no exposed cord, so very clean, streamlined. Having very clean aesthetic lines were very important to her during our consultation. This one has been a customer favorite because the fact that it's unlined, but it has a little bit of texture of some lines running through it that's picking up on the color of both her floors as well as her table in the room. Okay. So next up, do you want to talk about a great before and after? It's got to be Erin with Kismet House. I worked on her kitchen with her and we ended up using the Blinds.com premium Roman shades in linen vanilla stone. She wanted something that was going to be very lightweight and airy feeling, but she wanted to have something that had a little bit of warmth. She wanted to complement her floors. She also had this great brass detailing on both the handles and her light fixtures that we wanted to pick up on some of the warmth and the tones of the room. Also, we motorized it. So that way she'd be able to lift and lower with ease because of how deep the cabinets were. She has that great farmhouse sink, so this way she wouldn't have to reach over those cabinets. Not a lot of people think about motorizing in the kitchen. Okay, how many of you have ever gone to a great hotel and seen those tall windows, tall ceilings, and had the great floor-to-ceiling experience with drapery? Well, Ashley of House of Haynes had seen that and she wanted to recreate that. So that's what we did. We used the Blinds.com Easy Classic Draperies in Wilmington White. Now notice she didn't use a traditional drapery rod here. She actually used a ceiling track. This would allow her to traverse those draperies over, and you can do them with either a light filtering liner, you can leave it unlined, room darkening, all the way to a blackout liner. So that way you can still have a clean, crisp, white, light colored drapery. But if you have a TV on a wall and you're trying to cut the glare coming in, you can always layer it with a blackout liner. We did a second room, it's master bedroom. We actually used woven wood shades in Fiji Natural. With her bedroom, she likes a lot of light. She doesn't really like to layer with a lot of drapery. She likes to allow a lot of light to flow through. So she actually wanted an unlined design in the master bedroom. She didn't have any privacy concerns that we talked about. We want to complement the colors that were going on in that natural bed that she has, the headboard and the footboard, as well as the end tables. It was a really great design choice. What's a trend that I would love to see more people try in their homes? If I could wave my design magic wand, colors. White's so safe. Can even be a little bit boring. So add a little bit of color. Let your windows make a statement.